So as you can see, we plugged up. I actually don't have my mouse and keyboard plugged in. The box is behind. There's actually the box for this case right here. But my case and CPU, motherboard, all that stuff, it sits behind here. That way it's out of the way. But it's all or nothing right now. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Regular rookie mistake. Okay, so I actually have my power box turned upside down, but because I have it that way, it's easier for me to flip it. But that's because I'm great. We had already customized my lights before. Like I said, we actually have a bottom fan here and another fan to pull out air. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intake fans for fresh air. And chitty chitty bang bang, we all on. Excuse all my stuff up there. But as you can see, everything is up and running. I actually have better, it looks better, you know, as far as, you know, the cords and like that, because I had them running from back there all the way around, and that really didn't look good. But this looks way better. I guess I'll clean up really quick, fix the game. I actually like this breathing, man. It just people don't like the colors, but like I said, you can choose. Hey, you can choose whatever colors you want. This case came with the fans, they customizable, so you can choose whatever colors you like. It doesn't make you no difference. But I have the main red on here. I have red and blue because the red is really bright, it pops, I like it. And then the blue, I have the blue because it adds some light in there. Yeah, I'm actually, my T-Force right here, I don't really care about that, but you can go into all your stuff and change that. But like I said, because all my stuff is up to date, there's no big deal to, you know, do all of that. I actually, like I said, this for the case actually controls all these lights, but I actually like my customizable lights, so I don't really care to have this plugged up. It's unnecessary to me. But all my stuff down here works. I can show you it works. This is, you know, these cords down here are standard and regular. It's just cords going from, you know, for all these buttons and stuff like that down here, USBs and all. This is standard. This is how your case comes. So that's not really a big deal. But let me actually log into a game, plug all my stuff back up, log into the game, and then there you go.